Nyege nyege ma time I Jinja I Mwakaweng Chaka Kubedi lokati o maduong iken ping titwale iken bulu part nyo iken pamora magilo ni social media ni speaker me parliament te rong gengo le mo waje canceling ka choke man pingo ni ka choke eni balo bulu nyo balo dano kumbeti prime minister right honorable Robina Nabbanja kapiki lok manyen ni gini miru wara nyim yupi wara nyim pingo pian dano maduong do ker chena giye dano investors marketers dano bido wile wa tickets so kaki ngolo ka choka ini biashara maduong ubiri ka balle ini tu kena ni lok palo aryo mano tika gwenye dong panga mamir ki lop en ke te wacha ni choka ni ka bo wara nyim wor ki guidelines mamir ki lop
when you look ochake ki flow of parliament horrible Anita among okaro mawanyani ginimirbet after Saro Pendi raising a very controversial debate state minister mi tourism okaro omio tek mamege chot ki resolving ni ki chat ki bet ki meeting horrible Nabbanja okaro bene kickstand mamege kerati kwedeni they know ni Pok moranga no mi ruting dano yin pok moranga tie kiloni pod kila morni nyig moranga weng bedi ye eno nen chalo liero ti matek nyig moranga otieo ngar kode chila chel tika porka mi por ye joma chwako Nabbanja tie joma chwako state minister of tourism tie
chwako lok part
chwako
lok pa speaker me parliament gran le moro ramwache ti valid Lok pa prime minister tival ento wan machalo lute der kadong wabiri wanena joma dom gigwenyu lok komano dong wapenye ni kabiri pinge tikwe no mirgen go beto ping kongo nywak lok ma pe ki katekere no ka ngaro mo ne waje lok mo indok pe katu da bino da chai lok pala woroni
Emma, there's no question over immorality.
Of course.
Very simple. In our post palatela chel or since the discussion of Nyege Nyege has been watered down to the levels of parliament, he has an obligation. His opinion. Now, these are divided options. Are we going to allow immorality thrive over our country? If it is a yes, well and good. We are going to enforce rules, the guidelines. Guideline tini 18 years and below pay don kono gena command ento itika chero kamiyo guidelines idjoma anytime they're going to be intoxicated ngatu gena mato kompe anero ngarabo wajini ni you can control the country, you can control the government, but you can't control how people must behave.
An père na père lok erane kera wa kena na ne lok prime minister lok da jomo kena madongu kero chingi chena ge biachara go boto chena magu kero yo boto ki bere lok pa speaker benada lo tiena wa chama kena tiena mabe pia gura ma ka pa wi bor go be cher ka chaka era mano jemi time kono yen machala nyori chunyi ramo be ki gonye ye lok pa jario anyway tiu tamanyo loka irong tieni pingo kong dong loke peke nywa ko ka dong ara chela tela mo ne dong ki wachi wane gini wor ko manjo wor ka dong wane lok gwenye ko man no wane wa unity mo ni paka
no ana gam gini mere kero mera gam kwere chindwi even I had the same opinion in social media actually billboards posters newspapers gimoe kantika lok Nyege Nyege the late father Lokodo one time obiru o blocking Nyege Nyege they went to the drawing board. Same thing has happened. This time round, Saro Pendi has brought this on the floor of parliament 1 week towards the event. Have they just realized? Kikelu gini I ot moko chiek. Chabira chiel madong gino tika bina. Fudgun yani no gini tika bino. Pingono piki loge yechon ni gini enibai mwaka mokaro gina kumano bedutie. Imwaka eni motika kelu. Otika kelu ngo. Wek tuwe o chon piki tuwe la chien to just disorganize.
Iwaje mabedu twal walu yupne bedong ginge ni parliament nyo lo tela ki tele kumana chi yonge ki ye yup ki wara nyin.
And me medne bene it has been like a culture. Kigeo it gets a lot of publicity.
You don't what?
Kituke ye chera meta nyim and donga ki ye donga meta nyim now I don't wait me a gikki because we are not sure what kidugu what piki dugu which is wrong.